do this. We're gonna do it backwards, so go 5, so 5, 4, 3, and 2. So, alright. Oops, why did I turn that already? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Before parity, yeah. Don't worry, I memorized the parity algorithm. I made sure I did that before the stream, so I don't look like a dumbass. Dude, edges, I hate edges. I'm getting better at them though. I'm really bad at them. Oh shit. You guys might see my 4x4 explode, which should be some awesome-y fun. Dude. Oh my god, what did I just do? I don't even know what I did. Okay, fucker. Alright, last 4 edges. I think. Oh shit, what the fuck did I just do? Okay. I can't, like, I'm just so bad at finding edges. Okay, we avoided parity. I'm solving it like a normal 3x3. Oh shit. Holy fuck, this is a good time. This is like nearly 5x5 PB. Okay, good. I'm actually way worse at 7x7. I'm so slow at 7x7. Because I can't handle the cube yet. Okay. Even cubes are kind of difficult. Oh shit. Dude, where's the... Okay. Oh god. I screwed up, I think. I think I screwed up majorly. Okay, no, I think I should be fine. Nimix is pretty good at big cubes. He's really good at the 9x9, apparently. I saw he was really fast. It's like under 20 minutes. I'll do a 7x7 later. Oh god. Got parity, I think. I think I got parity. Oh god. Yeah, I did. Okay, good. Oh god. This is like my specialty, so I shouldn't fuck up. Dude, this cube freaking flies compared to whatever I had before. Okay, this is my worst cube by far. I don't know how to solve a 2x2. Oh god, I don't know how to solve a 2x2. That was really good. That was a pretty good time for me. God, those 2 golds.